Welcome to Meg and navigating the crypto market with clarity, confidence, and consistency.
Today we're reviewing our latest trading results, showcasing how our strategy performed in the current market. Insights, transparent updates, and data-driven results. Let's dive in. To see our results daily, join our free group. Links in the description. Let's check it out.
In a space full of noise and hype, we bring you real insights, responsible trading updates, and a focus on long-term growth. Because in trading, patience and experience are the real keys to success. At Meg, we offer 2 to 4 daily crypto futures, timely market updates, 24/7 personal support, and community-driven learning. We empower you to trade smarter, not recklessly. Whether the market goes up, down, or sideways, Meg stays focused, disciplined, and profitable. Join a growing family of smart traders. Get daily expert support and real value. Message us on Telegram at megpadmin to get started. This is Meg. Also, don't miss our free Telegram channel for daily updates and signal previews, where strategy meets results and patience leads the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.